Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Snakes with Miles. I am here with Macy, and she's actually featured in the video today, so I'm excited to show you guys that. But first, let's start off with me getting stuck in a rainstorm while looking for and finding some snakes. And then after that, we will finish up in the hill country with Macy and Kai and I adventuring. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's do it.
Am I not what you see on TV? Is there something wrong with me? I don't wanna lose you, baby. Please don't pull the plug, I'm begging. 'Cause love is scary, and I don't wanna lose you, baby. Please don't pull the plug.
Guys, I decided to come out and flip some rocks and hike a bit tonight back in Austin. And I got this cute little flat-headed snake, Tarantulas. They look so similar to the black-headed snake.
Black-headed snake, flat-headed snake. Black-headed snake, flat-headed snake. You can see why it's a little difficult for me.
I'm pretty sure that this is just a flathead. These guys are fossorial. I think they feed on millipedes or centipedes. But really cool. Quite fast. Yeah, bright orange stripe. I think that might help me to identify whether it's blackhead or flat. Let's let him go. I'm gonna put his rock back and then we'll move him under it. We just got some rain today, which obviously is a rarity here in Austin. And the weather's going to significantly cool off here soon. I really wanted to get out, just see if there was anything happening. And I really would love to find another coral snake before the end of the year. Just flip this scorpion. I think that this is the cave scorpion, Texas cave scorpion or something like that. None of the scorpions here are like deadly venomous or anything. Bee sting is how people describe it. So let me try one with my close-up lens here. Very cool creature. They scare me. I'm gonna set its rock down next to it. I just don't want to risk crushing it. Very cool little snake. He's saying hi to us. Alright, I'm gonna let him go.
Look, I totally get it. I understand that not everyone loves snakes, but look at this face. He is adorable, and I will not be told otherwise.
Not sure if you guys can see this, but I spy a snake. Sticking its head out right there at that rock. I think it's just a water snake, but let's try and get a little closer to it. It's a big old snake. Can't really tell from this, but like this rock is gigantic. Yeah. This is kind of the portion where I'm really hopeful that I can find a coral snake. It's a little damper over here, a little more lush. Making the executive decision to turn around. Let's see if that water snake's still hiding out in this rock. It's gonna feel my footsteps. He's out. He's giving us a show. Oh,
Goodbye.
just kidding. Update. I hear thunder, and I really don't want to get rained on. Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh god. Cardio, come through, buddy. Gotta be careful. Not sure if these rocks get slippery. Alright, so the rain's died down, but as you can see, I am drenched. You can't really, oh yeah, you can see it. So yeah, I got some extra cardio, but it was fun. We saw, what, 2 plain-bellied water snakes, Tarantulas, and I actually caught a second one that I didn't get on video, but yeah, 2 Tarantulas. I'm gonna go home and try not to be soaking wet and cold. Hello everyone. You can see I have some help today with Kai and Macy. We don't really know what the plan is, but we're gonna do some hiking. It's like 80 degrees, which is kind of unreal. But yeah, let's see what we find. So there's 2 kinds of dogs when it comes to riding in the car. This is Exhibit A. Dad, take me everywhere with you. And Exhibit B. I'm fine. Everything's fine, Dad. So I found a pretty cool find. It's a Texas brown tarantula, and it's holed up with a short-nosed frog, I believe is what it's called.
Wrong.
I'm gonna cover it up though, but I thought that was really neat. It's actually my first vet.
Since recording this, I actually learned that these toads will eat ants and other little critters that are a threat to the tarantula's eggs or the tarantula while it's molting, while the tarantula will protect the toad from larger predators.
Are you guys thirsty? You want some water? Macy, get some water. Macy, drink some water. That's going to be a wrap for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you press the like button. And if you want to see what I post in the future, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a good day.
Am I not what you see on TV?